What's up, warriors? Alan Davis here, your brother in arms turned AI entrepreneur. Let's talk about the elephant wearing a headset in the room. AI. Yeah, I hear it all the time. Alan, AI is going to replace me. No, brother, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use it absolutely will. That's why the OfferLab certification isn't just another digital course, it's a tactical weapon for your financial freedom. Imagine this: two soldiers, same Mo's, same experience. One learns to automate funnels, optimize offers, and deploy AI powered systems that sell 24/7. The other still thinks ChatGPT is just for writing essays. Who do you think wins that battle? If you've ever felt stuck trying to build your online business, this certification fixes that. It hands you a step-by-step battlefield plan, not theory, not fluff, actual frameworks tested by Russell Brunson's team and used by top affiliates worldwide. When I got certified, I stopped guessing what to post, how to design funnels, and what offer would convert. Now, every campaign I launch feels like calling in digital close air support: precise, profitable, predictable. And here's the best part: you're not fighting alone. OfferLab is more than a course, it's a unit. You get access to others who are certified, who speak the same language, and who are ready to help you scale faster. Look, AI is not scary. It's like a motivated private works great when you give it orders. The problem is, most people never learned how to lead it. OfferLab teaches you how to command AI. So here's my challenge for you: don't wait for permission. Get certified, build your system, and deploy your freedom mission today. Because in the end, AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your excuses.